your trade profit will increase by 10,000% if you introduce this candlestick secret to your trading game. Welcome guys, this is Crypto Talker right here, and in this video I'll be showing you to go through your candlestick and types of candlesticks. Before we get started, if you have next signed up for a Bnext account, kindly sign up now using the link in the comment section to create an account. Okay, so you know what we're talking about here, how to make money from trading cryptocurrencies. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so we have combining candlesticks with key level and area of confluence. Okay, over here. Okay, so you can see over here, right now the problem many traders have in trading entry based on what candlestick pattern forms. Okay, on its own without taking without taking into account the big picture 100% and the 100% of things. Okay, this basically means that what traders are doing right now, they will take an account on the candlesticks, and as you can see, the area of confluence, which is above here, over here, area of confluence, and the support area of support that is down here. They'll just dive into trading just like that, without taking note of all this and the key levels. That's the key levels of this, and the key levels and the support area of support down here. So traders just dive in and begin with trading without knowing the basic keys. Okay, and also, so there are candlesticks pattern we have to look for and use, because they occur the most often and are the most effective for trading entry. Okay, so basically, let me just show you guys an example. Okay, so here we have it. This is a long wick candlestick, okay, there's a long wick candle form at a key resistance or area of conflict. Okay, here we have it. This is the area of the conflict. Okay, this is the area of the conflict. There's a long wick. There's a long wick candle over here, which we have the bullish candle, the big bullish candle, and we have the long wick over here, which surpasses the area of confluence over here. Then that means sellers to control. You can see the arrow, sellers to control. I will have over here, we have the bullish, which you have the bearish candlestick over here. Sorry, you have the bearish candlestick over here, and here we have the long wick. The long wick, here we have it, and it passed the area of support. Okay, when that's the area of support, which makes the buyers to take control of the market, which you can see over here at the thread. Okay, which you can see over here. So these are basic keys, as I said, which I'll be showing you guys. So let me make more meaning into this. Okay, so long wick candlestick explained. Okay, so there are many names for this candle, but the key is simply simple. Okay, sorry, simple. Any candle where the wick is wicking out in the same direction as the moving trend. Okay, psychological. Okay, so uptrend, the buyers treat to push price higher, but fail to close it out with momentum during that push, and sellers stepped in and pushed the price back down, creating the weak formation candle to form and show that the level held strong within that particular moment in time. Okay, so that's for the up week. So the uptrend. So the downtrend Okay, so seller tried to push the price lower, but failed to close it out with momentum during the push, and buyers stepped in and pushed the price back up, creating the weak formation candle to form. Okay, and shown that the level healed up healed strong within that particular moment in time. Okay, so long week candles showed profit taking at the level from the moment trade direction holders or the opposing side going against the trade, stepping into the market at the key level and opening new positions going against the trend, or a combination of both of what we just started, or both of what we just started, which I showed you guys at the previous slide. Okay, so let me just show you guys an example of what I'm saying. Okay, so here is my after the trading. I'll be using my trading view to show you guys an example of long week. Okay, so we'll just move over here. Let me see. Move over here. Okay, we have an example over here where we have a long week. We have an example over here. So buyers came and buyers came and tried to push the price. They tried to push the price upward. They pushed it to this height. Okay, it passed the area of confluence over here, and sellers came over here and pushed it down. As you can see, they pushed it down and it went downwards. So sellers were in control. You can see it went downward. If you have made a entry over here, let's say over here, entry over here at this point, a short entry over here, you could have made it massively because it went downwards, made downwards, and you have put your entry over here and put your stop loss somewhere at let's say 0.01 over here. Just say, let's say somewhere over here. You could have made massively. Okay, as you can see it over here. Okay, so guys, as I said, um let me see, let me look for it. Okay, here we have it. Here we have it. Something like this. So you can see the support area of support over here. And so guys, be mindful. The problem with traders, as I said, the problem with traders, so they will take trade based on what candlestick pattern forms on their own without taking account of the big picture. Okay, that is, so you have to be mindful of all this. That is the area of confluence over here, and the area of support. Okay, so you can see it over here. Let me just do it like this. So where we have this the bearish candle over here, this bearish candle which took form. I you can see the bullish where it formed over here. The bullish candle, they formed over here. So you can see as it took form, and sellers and buyers took control over the market. You can see it went up, it went up, it went up to this level. It went up to this level. Okay, so that's it. So let's head back. Let me show you guys some other examples. Sorry. Here we have multiple long week candles pattern. Okay, so this shows multiple long week pattern formed at key resistance or area of confluence. Okay, so you can see it where it surpassed the multiple long week. It surpassed the area of confluence over here. Okay, and you can see the downward where the bullish where the bearish candle pushed downwards, with the sellers tried to push the price downwards, tried to push it downwards below area of support, and the buyers came over here, and you can see these two small small inverter candle, and it came, buyers came and pushed it back up. Okay, buyers were in control, as you can see by this diagram over here. Okay, so multiple long wick candle explained. Okay, so exactly like the name of it states, so this is where we have a long wick candle form, one after the other at a key level. Okay, so this showed that price tried over and over again to breach the level, meaning multiple attempts in breakthrough, but failing, showing that the level held strong and is valid. Is valid this time around. Okay, so multiple long wick candlestick pattern is a very high quality entry, because just one long wick candle can be a fake out entry. Okay, but multiple long weeks, or to be more specific, multiple failure for a price to push through the level, shown that the level strong, meaning it is a very key level, and it's a strong signal. It is a strong sign that a price may reverse against regardless of how many long we can do form. Okay, you still need to wait for a trend change confirmation before opening a reverse trade. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys an example right now, so we'll head to our trading view, guys, through with some examples on this. Okay, I think I have it over here. Let me see. Okay, you can see it over here. This is the multiple entry. Okay, you can see it over here, multiple entry. So we have it. What we're trying to say. This is the buyers try to push it up. They push it up. Why sellers came? There's a multiple entry. Sellers came. This is a strong wick over here. We have a strong wick over here, and buyers also came, and finally sellers came and pushed it downwards. They push it downwards to this level. Okay, it's still at our area of support. Okay, which they came over here, and it still pushed up. Okay, we have a strong multiple entry over here, multiple candlesticks, sorry, over here. We also have over here, so this is a strong value. So you can also come here, make an entry, but before you make an entry, you have to be sure. So you can just come here when you see this bearish candle over here. You can come down here to the opening trade over here, and place a short entry over here, and you will make it massively. Just input a short trade over here, and you make it massively. Okay, so guys, this is what I was trying to show you. We'll have multiple, as you can see. There's another one here. Okay, and also be mindful of this a strong this is the area of resistance. We also have an area of resistance over here too, the area of resistance over here. You have it over here, where you can see, sorry, let me just note this, where you can see multiple candlesticks over here, trying to surpass the multiple entry over here. You can see it over here. So this is a area of resistance, as I said. Also here, this is where a good price, which buyers or sellers are trying to push down their limits, trying to push their limit over here. Okay, so finally the sellers pushed it down, but it still came up. As you can see, buyers still came, they tried to push it, and they tried to push it, they went to their best, and also it came up, and it came to this level over here, which you can see. So it's a good this where we have the area of resistance over here at this level, area of resistance over this level. Okay guys, so I'll be putting you guys with another example type of candlesticks. So let's do this. Okay, so here we have our inverted long wick candle, okay, or you can say a hanging man, okay, or inverted hammer, inverted hammer, or a hanging man, okay. So, hanging man candle form as a key resistance or area of confluence. Okay, here we have the area of the confluence, which both sides you can see where buyers pushed it up. They tried to push it up. You can see it as there's a bullish candle here. These two bullish candle over here. Here we have a Here we have a hanging man. A hanging man. This is what they call a hanging man. Okay, this particular one over here, where sellers came and they pushed the price downward. They pushed it downward. Okay, you can also come over here. We have the bearish candle. The bearish candle, you can see them over here, and also we have a trend, a downtrend, a downtrend over here. Over here we have the bullish candle with the buyers to control, and they push the price upward. It over is close to the area of support, and they pushed it back up, which buyers to control. Okay, so inverted a long wick candle explanation. Okay, inverted long wick candle is where the wick sticks out in the opposite direction of the moving trend direction. Okay, so uptrend, or you can call it hanging man. Okay, once price got to the key level, you had strong selling presence. Okay, that entry that entered that enters the market within a particular moment in a time, causing the wick to stick out below and against the moving uptrend. Okay, so against again, this shows a reaction to the level, but you still need to trade change confirmation, as a reaction does not require a automatic trade short. Okay, so the down trade, that's an inverted hammer, sorry, inverted hammer. Sorry, so once price got to a key level, you had strong buying presence, okay, that entered the market within that particular moment in time, causing the wick to stick out above. Okay, that's what I showed you at the bullish side, where you can see it over here. So the wick sticked out. The wick sticked out, okay, above. So against the moving downtrend. Okay. So against this shown a reaction to the level, but you still need to trade change confirmation to, as a reaction does not require an automatic trade lock. Okay, so let me show you an example of inverted long wick candle. We can call it a hanging man. So let's head over to our trading view, which I'll be showing you guys right now. Okay, let me see. Okay, so guys, here we have it. We have this over here, where this is the bearish candle. Also, I'll be putting you guys through the example. You can see it over here, where we have the three bearish candle over here, and we have We have the bullish over here, and you can see where sellers try to push it down, and buyers came over here and they pushed it up. You can see it. You can see it. Wish you made your entry. If you made your entry over here, okay, you could have made it massively over here. And also, we come over here. Let's see. Let me see. Okay, come over here. Here we have it. You can see the bullish candlestick. You can see them here, the three of them. Okay. Then we have this. We have the small inverted candle over here. The small inverted candle, which you pop out, and you can see the wick, which is being shown over here. Okay. Then you can see as it went. Okay. Sellers came. They tried to push it down. Buyers came, and it went totally down. Went totally down over here, so you can see it. Even the long bearish it went totally down over here. You can see the long bearish candle, and it pushed down to this level, which it came down here, and it brought up a and it brought up the area of resistance over here. Area of resistance over here. Brought the area of resistance before it came back up again. Came back up, and it came over here again to bring a area of resistance before it went down. Okay, so guys, that is basically what we have right now on this at Candlesticks. So I put you guys through this small process. And also, do not forget the problem with the problem which we have at hand. So you do not just assume that this price over here will be going up, then you just make an entry, just start off your trading. You have to study it first. You have to watch carefully, and know a particular and know the particular candlestick. You can know whether it's bearish or your bullish. You just have to study it hard. And also, I'll be putting you guys through. I'll putting you guys through the next video. So I'll be showing you guys more examples on type of candlesticks, and how to navigate and how to navigate them at your trading view. Okay, so guys, this is all we have for this particular video. So we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and also guys, I would like to know where you're watching from. Are you in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, US, Uganda, UK? Let me know in the comment section below. Okay guys, so my WhatsApp link will be posted in the comment section. All you have to do is just to click on it to join the WhatsApp community. In case you have any question to ask, so you can ask, and we'll solve it together. Okay guys, so I will see you guys in the next video. This is Crypto Talker right here. Peace out.